Hello guys, today how tornado forms. Tornado is a circle in lake sucking up things. And how tornado forms when the air comes down to the warm, it it it, it make like a nimbus cloud, and then when the tornado forms, and how tornado forms is it's a hot air and cold air, and a tornado spins, and how hurricane forms like tornadoes, but that, and it makes a nimbus cloud, but going to speed, and then like circling, but speeding the circling like a tornado, like tornadoes, and like whirlpools. How can whirlpool forms? Whirlpool forms when there is a circle on the ocean, and then when you spin it, there's a whirlpool. And when you have a pool, when you do that, like this, a whirlpool forms. That's it. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.